why do people buy these BMWs, even knowing that they become endless money pits? Okay, the sharp-looking cars, no doubt, man. They drive fast. They handle really well. They're also endless money pits.
BMW guy. 4.3 series, black and blue FP235 and the E92. M3 beckons to me like the front picture of SCP. Euro, got my name in these, you can have a chat with my credit bureau. Can't stand these guys, just know how to sip it with some angel eyes. Revolver seats, that's fine. You're the closer but you can't decide. See, that's where the problem lies. It's variants breaking the barriers that's in the guides. For these JDM guys, play a fucking place.
It's free to play, I'm not gonna lie, but the right have to do everything by the guides.
I'm sorry, Garrett Foley. Aluminum bolts won't get replaced by me.
Nope.
Cause the red slipped my way to the marketplace, right in the beam if I had the space. Cause what's in a chip in the driveway, they gap another pins and highway. E9 X is for me, I can't care less, but the X603. Just get a tasket, then I need a full housing gasket. So when you see on the shoulder with flasket, it's not alcohol, it's the 50-50. It's distilled water and antifreeze. Scotty.
Plastic crap. It's all just a bunch of plastic crap. Trying to warn you, these German cars, they're a consumer trap. Rev up your engines, let's see what breaks and begins to crack. On the Nürburgring, I'd be amazed to see you make it one lap. You're burning oil, it's leaking onto the soil. The black's aluminum, it's pretty much tinfoil. There goes another half-court oil. Thing takes more half-courts than NBA players in that sport. Sports car does it all. Tell you one thing out of the warranty, the value will fall. It's a jack of all trades, but a master or none. I just sold my grandson if he bought me one. Well, the SOULKER, the design's better. The thing's got more plastic cage. But at least you're having fun, not for the long. Better check the dipstick often. Oh, you don't have one? Think the horse will laugh at you, son. People say I'm full of crap about BMWs. Well, watch this. Fuck you. Fuck yourself. Go to hell. And all the rest of you, don't forget to ring that bell.
So I can understand why people buy them, at least emotionally. Kind of like the apple in the Garden of Eden, tempting. But if you take a bite of this BMW apple, it's going to turn into an endless money pit universe in a relatively short period of time. If not right away.